In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach large files in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever tried to email a big file and hit the attachment limit, this walkthrough will show you a simple workaround using a shareable link so your recipient can download the file without it bouncing back. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. On the home page, click Sign In at the top right and securely enter your account credentials. After you're signed in, look for the Mail icon near the top right and click it to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you're in Yahoo Mail, click Compose at the top left to start a new message. In the To field, type your recipient's email address and then add a clear subject line so they know what the message is about. This keeps things organized and helps prevent your email from getting overlooked. When your file is too large to attach directly, the easiest method is to share it from a cloud drive. In this tutorial, we'll use Google Drive. Open a new tab and go to your Google Drive. Locate the large file you want to send. This could be a video, a high-resolution image set, or a large document. Click the three dots next to that file to open more options, then choose Share. In the sharing window, look for General Access and change it to anyone with the link. Make sure the permission is set to Viewer so people can see or download it but not edit it. Now click Copy Link to place the shareable link on your clipboard. Head back to your Yahoo Mail tab where your draft is open. In the message body, paste the link you just copied. It's a good idea to add a short note explaining what the file is and that it's being shared via Google Drive so the recipient knows exactly what to expect. If the file is time sensitive, mention any deadlines or context they need. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive the message with the link and they can open or download the large file directly from Google Drive. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your content is sensitive, consider limiting access in Google Drive to only specific people instead of anyone with the link, and let your recipient know they may need to be signed in to view it. Also, for smaller files, you can attach them in Yahoo Mail the usual way, but using a link keeps your email lightweight and prevents delivery issues. That's it. Now you know how to attach large files in Yahoo Mail using a shareable Google Drive link.